on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the fastest brute.
I think it is! Unbelievable! Fire from the
Down he went, on the back to the caddy. Clapping him,
believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Viales then, following Morbidelli.
battered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Twice at turn 1, twice at turn 4, he's got through, but he's come under instant attack again from Dani Pedrosa. He's not close enough for a lunge at turn number 4.
3 times now he's led the way, 3 times Pedrosa has fought back. They're up at the top end.
So now I hope he's okay, because he looked
Fabio Quattararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then, as they now have straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Viales then following Morbidelli.
Marc Marquez now has into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then, as they now have straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Viales then following Morbidelli.
battered into Quattararo's
End of this one then, as they now head around.
into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a
Fabio Quattararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Viales then following.
Marc Marquez now has
They can't give a
Fabio Quattararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Quattararo's Yamaha, he's on the stretcher.
Any Yamaha horsepower to drag by the Honda down.
When Rossi's got in front.
Who's kept aggressive as we've seen Dani Pedrosa for many a year. Valentino Rossi now has lost crucial ground in this fight for second place. But number 4, this is where Rossi's tried twice already.
This is Andrea Iannone running up. Pedrosa again on the inside.
Brilliant from Dani Pedrosa. Rossi off left foot off the foot peg. He was almost leaning there on Dani Pedrosa. This is as aggressive as we've seen Dani Pedrosa for many a year. Valentino Rossi.
Anyway, all the facts
Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati for the high side. Down he went. What the fact
Again through turn number 2, so that's the 4th time now that Valentino Rossi, twice at turn 1, twice at turn 4, he's got through, but he's come under instant attack again from Dani Pedrosa. He's not close enough for a lunge at turn number 4.
3 times now he's led the way, 3 times Pedrosa has fought back. They're up at the top end of the circuit. They're coming up towards turn 7.
Rossi now close enough to be lining up a pass on the brakes down into turn number 12, where we saw Marudo and Dani Pedrosa here on the brakes down into turn 12.
Massive difference when we arrive in Valencia.
Now I hope he's okay, because he looked hurt.
10 and 11. Rossi was talking about it yesterday. Can you manage that left-hand side of the tyre for this crucial end of the race? He's not going to find a way through on Pedrosa down into 14 and 15. He certainly won't be able to use any Yamaha horsepower to drag by the Honda down the back straight.
And between and down this back straight.
Very often is it as well. You see Valentino Rossi
The second flag is out here in Magello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is!
They close down the reverse corkscrew. 3.5 laps to go. We ride with Rossi. What a battle for second place, and well done Dani Pedrosa. He's fought back on 2 occasions when Rossi's got in front.
Who's kept their rear tyre the best for these crucial final 3.5 laps. It was all about the left-hand side of the tyre. They really do stress it, certainly coming through this section, turn 9, 10 and 11. Rossi was talking about it yesterday. Can you manage that left-hand side of the tyre for this crucial end of...
Bagus banget, dan dia terus mendominasi sampai akhir race dan sampai akhirnya dia jadi juara di Aragon. Dan hari ini tapi kayaknya battle yang paling bikin kita mendebarkan, gitu, yang paling bikin deg-degan adalah siapa lagi kalau bukan Pedrosa dan juga Valentino Rossi. Udah lama banget kan, terutama buat anda fansnya Pedrosa, udah lama banget gak lihat Pedrosa saat racing. Ini setuju ya, Johnny?
Saya kaget juga karena saya pikir dia bakal dengan mudah dibaca oleh Valentino Rossi. ternyata memang Pedrosa cukup percaya diri dan juga kita lihat memang